sales consultant here at Steele Hyundai, as well as EV specialist here. This month and this month only, we're going to do a promotion on our last two remaining 2020 Hyundai Ioniq preferred fully electric vehicles. So for $125 a week, all in, taxes in, we're including a Flo charger as well as 90 days no payments. So we're giving you $5,000 off for a federal rebate, as well as an additional $2,000 off from Hyundai. So for $125 a week, you can own this brand new 2020 Ioniq preferred fully electric vehicle with 273 kilometers and a full charge. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys what's included in this 2020 Ioniq preferred model. It's got power windows, locks and mirrors, as well as Bluetooth and cruise control. It also has safety features like adaptive cruise control, so we'll set the safe distance from you and the car in front of you while you're on cruise and maintaining at a safe distance. As well as you'll get a beautiful 10.25-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which you can connect your smartphone right through this USB port, and your maps, your music, and your messages all populate right onto the screen. Everything is also touchscreen as well, just to maintain that modernized look for electric vehicles. You'll also have an EV button just to show you your different energy levels, your different energy information, as well as your charge management for you to set when you want to charge your vehicle. It also has regenerative braking. The paddles are just right behind the steering wheel, so you can set the different levels in regards to charging your vehicle as you're coasting. So once you take your foot off the accelerator, your vehicle will also charge while it's coasting. You also have automatic lights, as well as button gear shifters, heated seats and a heated steering wheel. Different drive modes like Eco Plus mode. So when you actually hold that drive mode and put it in Eco Plus, you'll get a little bit more of a better range.